A Venn diagram is a visual way to show relationships between different groups or sets of things. It's made up of circles that represent sets, and these circles overlap when the sets share something in common. Venn diagrams are a great tool to help us understand sets and work out probabilities. A set is simply a collection of objects called elements. These elements could be anything: numbers, letters, or even types of fruit. For example, the set of vowels in the alphabet is A, E, I, O, U. We use curly brackets to show that something is a set. Elements, the objects in a set. Universal set. The universal set is the collection of all possible elements we're dealing with in a particular problem. It is shown by the symbol X, or sometimes U. Think of the universal set as everything you could possibly choose from. In a Venn diagram, each set is represented by a circle. If you're working with more than one set, you'll often see the circles overlapping. The rectangle around the outside of all the circles represents the universal set. Inside the circles, we can either show the actual elements of each set or simply the number of elements in each set. What happens when sets overlap? Intersection. If two sets overlap on a Venn diagram, the elements that are in both sets go in the overlapping part of the circles. This is called the intersection of the sets. For example, if set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B is 3, 4, 5, 6, the intersection is 3, 4, because 3 and 4 are in both sets. In a Venn diagram, the intersection is the part where the circles overlap. The union of two sets contains all the elements that are in either set or both. For example, if set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B is 3, 4, 5, 6, the union is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because these are the numbers in either set A or set B or both. On a Venn diagram, the union is everything inside both circles. The complement of a set contains everything in the universal set that isn't in that particular set. If you see the symbol A, it means the complement of set A. Basically, everything that's not in set A. On a Venn diagram, the complement of a set is everything outside that set circle. Venn diagrams can also help you find probabilities. If you know how many elements are in each set, you can figure out the chances of something happening. For example, if the universal set represents all possible outcomes in a probability problem, you can use the Venn diagram to find the part you're interested in. Let's say the universal set is all students in a school, and you want to find the probability of choosing a student who is in both the football and basketball teams. The intersection of the two sets, students in both teams, will help you find this probability. Venn diagrams help you visualize how sets are related, whether you're looking at intersections, unions, or complements. They are especially helpful when working out probabilities, as you can easily see how different groups overlap or remain separate. And the more information you have, the clearer the diagram becomes.